Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. In this video, we're going to find out how to do an individual search for either a loan officer or a real estate agent. So from our dashboard, you'll notice on the left-hand side, we're going to start with an LO or loan officer search. So right over here, I'm going to click on search. And now I can type either an MLS ID or a loan officer name. I'm going to use an MLS ID. It's much more accurate. So 704376, this is just an example. And then I click on search and you can see that the name is returned. And now I can click on the name and select my markets, or I can select all states, hit save, and then select my date range. So I'm going to do year to date and then hit refresh. And so now that we see that this loan officer has done 54 loans year to date in the US, totaling $52 million. And by the way, there is detailed contact information that is revealed right over here when you click on contact info button. So you can click on that and see, direct line, work office, LinkedIn page, etc. Okay, so that's how to do a loan officer search. If you don't have somebody specific in mind, you can do an advanced search by clicking here, selecting the market or markets. Again, here I'll pick Phoenix and say, all right, I want to look at the top LOs in Phoenix year to date that do between 20 million and 30 million in volume. And now all I have to do is hit refresh, and I will get a list. This is my list, my target list of top LOs who are doing between 20 million and 30 million year to date in the Phoenix MSA. So we can see the entire list. We can then export to Excel. So those are the two methods that you can use to search for loan officers. It's very similar when you search for real estate agents. All you have to do is come over here to this section, the real estate agent report, click on search, and here I can either type in a real estate agent name and hit search. So here is, for example, Mark Spain, and I can see where Mark is listed. You can see that this hit over here is probably bad data, or meaning that Mark Spain did not have any transactions under Coldwell Banker, but rather all of his transactions are under Mark Spain Real Estate. So what's interesting is here I'm looking at the individual agent, but I can also search the agent's name, the agency name. So here, instead of typing in Mark Spain as the individual I want to target, I'm going to type the name of the agency, which also happens to be Mark Spain, and then hit refresh. And from here, we're going to see all of the agents that are associated with Mark Spain Real Estate. So here I can click on a name and again select my markets. Here I'll select all and hit refresh, and we'll notice that, okay, this person, Alicia, has 48 or has 4 total listings over the past 90 days. So I can click on year to date, for example, and hit refresh and see that the total goes up to 5. Okay, I can also close this tab and get back to exactly where I left off in my real estate agent search. So again, we covered how to search for individual LOs or for a list, a target list of LOs, and then how to search for either real estate agents individually or by real estate agency. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.